we just got here. Alright, there it is, completely out of the packaging. It's a beautiful piece. Comes with the branding on the side, well packaged, serialized, and with a lifetime warranty. So yeah, I'm really excited to put this in. The radiator's in, all the hoses are in, new hose. This is not a new hose, that's a new hose. The lower hose is also installed, so I've just got to put the fan shroud cover back in and then top her off with some antifreeze. Stay tuned. So here we are, tail end of this. All I got to do is pour some antifreeze and bleed the system. You do that with that little screw right there. There you have it. Antifreeze is topped off, hoses are in. Let's fire this bad girl up. I'm gonna let it idle for a bit. You can see she's pretty rock solid there. I've bled the system. My friends, is how you do the timing belt / water pump / thermostat / radiator. Stay tuned for the next project.